segment of the Bronx Night Market. Now, we just spoke to Amanda, who said she's changed some things up a bit and perfected her craft. So join me as we see how things are different from the previous two. That's right, the borough's favorite food festival is back. Bronxites flooded Fordham Plaza to enjoy the third edition of the Bronx Night Market. Belgian waffle chicken sandwiches, s'mores cupcakes, sushi, and crickets. We spoke to a new vendor at the night market, Wesley Koo, who used an ingredient you could probably find chirping on your front porch.
We want to tell the people here that crickets are the next big thing in food. Crickets, they are sustainable, they're high in protein, so they're nutritious for you as well. So we grind the crickets, mix it with some wheat flour to make the pasta.
Koo explained that the thought of eating an insect is only a psychological barrier and suggested that my videographer and I try some. It doesn't taste like a cricket, I guess. What I think a cricket would taste like. BronxNet videographer Kaleem enjoyed his crickets by the handful. We spoke to co-organizers of the market, Amanda Celestino and Mark Shalma, about the new layout and had some Bronx trivia for them. Now, why did you change it up this time? I see that it's a little bit different than the last two previous setups.
We had some long lines, and it was crowding it so you couldn't walk through comfortably. It was still a great time, but you couldn't walk through as comfortably. And now it feels much more spacious. There's more room to walk around, to see things, to sit and eat and enjoy yourself without feeling like you're cutting through lines all the time.
What are the colors on the Bronx flag? What? Say it again.
Orange, blue, and white.
Before I even said the options, everyone.
If you do something and then you create an environment that respects the Bronx and Bronx people, and then you create something that is intended for them, and then they will come and support you like nobody else, no other borough, no other city, no other country, and we're blessed and humbled by this experience.
Now, we do have some trivia for you for the Bronx, because if you're throwing an event in the Bronx, you have to know about the Bronx. Which is not a neighborhood of the Bronx, all right? Is it A, Fordham? Is it B, Mount Eden? Is it C, Riverview? Is it D, Wakefield? Or is it E, Concourse?
Wait, I think Mount Eden, right?
Marco needed a bit of help.
Which is not a neighborhood.
What was the third one?
Fordham, Mount Eden, Riverview, Wakefield, or Concourse?
Okay, so we're gonna go with Riverview. It's not a neighborhood in the Bronx.
Ding, ding! Since the first night market, we've come to expect unique and original ideas for food. Like this one vendor who put a new twist to eating a potato.
Once they see it, they're like, wow, it's like the coolest thing ever. Because smiling a potato, I don't know, it just makes people smile, especially kids,
As the Bronx Night Market continues to get better and gain notoriety, BronxNet's pop-up studio will continue to be open to the community and will be at the last two night markets, September 29th and October 30th. Reporting for BronxNet, Dorissa White.